que parar allá. Closer.
Knew this one.
Hermana, tipo para que lo vea. Desde la que voy a pasar es por otro lado.
Hopefully it's not a fake.
Yo creo que sí.
It's over there.
Qué bien, sí.
That got me.
Sí, esa es. Con la luz
I'm gonna take a picture when it comes here.
con la luz prendida.
Wow, I love that horn. It's scaring me. I love that.
Ahí para lo cogiste, mira.
I'm immune to the horn now.
Sí, ese.
Wow, that was beautiful. I am never going to delete that video ever again.
Ah, tienes que hablar, este es uno de los trenes de aquí.
Nah, but I'm not
Para el
doing that,
subscribe de channel.
No, but I'm not putting. I'm just gonna say this picture. I mean, this video and pictures.
Bueno, slow. Porque
No, it's good. That is awesome.
your dream come true.
This is what. See, I told you it would happen, and I was right next to it. We're right here.
Everybody's like, oh my god, we get the train.
Yeah, everybody's like that. Gotta wait. It's called
Tú
wait.
lo muevas rápido, Nico. Cuando tú filmas hay que moverla despacito, si no eso se ve mal. Largo.
It's claro. CSX company, ma. This is more important than where we're going.
Really,
Gotta wait for the train.
really.
It's important to wait for it. CSX. First time. I might put this on YouTube actually, yeah. On my channel. So I can be saved just in case something happens to this. Right, Mom?
Nothing's gonna happen to me.
No, it's my one time the fake some of my videos disappeared, like my monster truck. Oh, that was on my different phone though. This one's better phone.
¿Cuándo se va a acabar?
It's long, man. It's long. I can count it in the video. I'll count it. You know what? I want to count it in the video. I'm gonna count the things. This takes long, man. Wow.
Yes.
Hey, mommy, what did I say, Mom? Luck. I was lucky. I know this was long. Every cargo train is long because it carries all kinds of stuff, goods and stuff like materials. Wow. Está larguísimo.
¿Qué?
I think I'm doing it to an end. I'm gonna do it to it says like.
No,
Wow.
Es que me acabo mi tren a desde allá para ir por el centro. Misma cosa, para llegar a la casa.
And Ma, the horn lasted for a while. Wait.
Este mismo va a pasar por allá por
Eso me asustó a little bit when it first did it. Ah,
Este mismo va
por
para
la
Costco.
78.
Sí.
eso me. Yo brinqué así because it's so loud.
Por la 50.
No. How long this thing is. I feel so bad for people who have to work. That one, you know, oh, look at the graffiti. Look at the graffiti. You see the graffiti? It's like little smiley faces.
Seguramente un engine, grande todo eso.
Claro, no, it's 2 engines that carry it, and they're both
Hay
on.
uno acá atrás.
¿Ah?
Un engine acá atrás también.
Yo no lo veo. Todavía no se ha acabado.
Tiene que haber un engine acá atrás.
Sí,
Poder jalarlo otra vez.
cuando no
No,
ve
no,
otro
pa-
engine
no,
aquí
no.
atrás es porque se termina.
No, no,
niño.
no.
Apostemos,
No, it's que,
apostemos.
no, that engine in the back is off, it is, because,
Oh, it's off, but
No.
there is an engine in the back.
yeah, there is, but, one engine can actually carry all of this, it
Mira
can.
lo que hace un tren, mira por el espejo para atrás.
Huh?
Mira el tráfico.
Fácil.
Mira lo que hace este tren.
Y estábamos a 1 milla de la salida.
This is society, there's no blame to this. We cannot take anything like this away.
You almost missed it, Nick.
I almost missed it. How about this? Oh, is it gonna stop? I swear to God, if it stops. It's stopping.
No, it's going slow.
It's going slow. Esa señora ahí de vieja que está. No, it's going slower, ma. We're gonna have to wait.
Yo creo que la punta de ese tren ya está por allá, por Costco.
Seis minutos, mira.
We're gonna have to.
Andando.
No, ma, this video is way too important. So if
Pero estás grabando ahí todo el espejo del carro, porque no lo levantas un poquito que se
it
vea.
doesn't matter, it's okay.
Ahí se montaban y se
Sí.
tan
Yeah,
I can hold it on here.
I could just
You
do
got the
this.
bushes.
Move your head. Thank you. Hey. Wow. The luck got to me. Got to me. I got the horn and everything. And when it started.
Me sale una yuca más buena.
Ah, see. I don't know why they
Tú
call it.
tienes el espejo ahí enfocado.
Doesn't matter.
Levántalo un poquito.
Oh, it stopped.
Eso.
It stopped. It's stopping for some
Pero qué
reason.
bueno.
That's what the sound
That's how it
stops.
sounds. Oh my god.
Oh, it stopped. Wait, is it going backwards?
¿Esto qué fue?
Yeah, this happens sometimes. It stops. For some reason, it stops sometimes.
Pensé que había pasado un avión. aquí.
Mira, ma, I bet, ma, there's some cars. No, we're gonna stay here. We're gonna stay here. But there's some cars that actually turn back. There will be cars that actually turn back. No, we're not doing that. You know, there's a train lover here, so we're not doing that. No matter how long the video is, it's gonna be worth it.
Eso no deberían de permitir.
Huh?
Eso tan largo.
Mm.
Pero pa, this is very important, but this is why
Sí, pero lo pudieron haber hecho con menos carros.
yeah, it's true, yeah. But there's too much cargo, so they needed more cars. That's probably why.
Aquí nada más deben tener bloqueado todas las carreteras de aquí para
Yo
abajo.
pensaba, tienen a mi papá volviendo machete.
Yo creo que recordándose de una
My
máquina,
storage is gonna get
se llama
a little
máquina.
filled, so I might have to delete it. Not delete it. Oh, there it goes.
¿Cómo suena?
No, sí, así es.
Un güey que viene desde atrás.
Ajá.
It's a wave. See, it's a wave. There it is, pa there. That's a wave. Hopefully, there's an engine here that I can take a nice picture of. C6.
Wait. I can't hold it here.
I'm not putting my finger in front of the telephone at all.
Oh
There it goes,
my
going faster.
God.
This ain't spending time. I mean, this is my final day until I go to school, and this is the best final day I know. Oh no, there is no engine. There's no engine.
Ah, no engine.
I think the engine that it's holding up over there is gonna come in the back when it's gonna go back.
That's weird.
Not weird at all.
Y no apostaste y hubieras ganado otro.
Está largo, eso estaba largo.
Oh, por fin.
Bye, train. Thank you for the great video. Thank you so much. Now let's see this go. Let's see this thing go up. It should go up by now. There we go. Oh, it goes. It turns over there. Ah, es que va a pasar allí, veo.
No jodas.
I don't know. Is that? Oh, that's just a traffic. That's just a traffic.